Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Brain Programmer. How are you all? Hope you are doing well and doing good. So today in this video, we are going to understand what are functions in Python, and we are going to create some functions in Python. So let's begin. So if you don't know what is function in Python, functions are basically used for performing some particular task. For example, this print is also a function, which is an built-in function in Python. So this function basically prints something, prints whatever we want on the screen. So this is called as a function. So let's create our own custom function. So in order to create our own custom function, we need to use a keyword called def. So we need to this is a short form of define. So def, then we need to name our function. So let's create a function that just adds two number. So add would be fine, and then we need to use two curly braces and a colon, and also we need to take the value as well, so a and b. Now here we need to write the body of the function, but make sure you use indentation properly, because with this indentation Python understands where the function has been started and where it has been closed. So indentation is very important in Python. So now we can just return a plus b, and also let's go back. Now this function has been completed in this zone, because we stopped indentation from the next line. So function has been completed from this line, from this return. So the return keywords just return something whenever we call this function. So we just return a plus b, which is the sum of a and b to the user. So this a and b can be passed while calling the function, something like this. As we call function, we need to call functions like this, and a is an integer, b is also an integer. So this would be fine like this. And also instead of doing something like this, we also need this printed. So what we can do is we can print the value of add, so something like this, and let's run the code. And as you can see here, we got true first because of this print statement. So let's comment out this, and comments are with hashtag. And now as you can see here, we got 3 because 1 plus 2 is 3, and we can change the value as well. Let's keep 4 and 6, which is 10, and let's see what's the answer. Yeah, it's 10. Addition is not only the thing that we can do using functions, we can do whatever we want using functions. For example, we can also multiply things such as a into b, and we can also do a, we can store to addition. So also there are a lot of inbuilt functions in Python, which we are going to understand in our next videos. So if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon as well. Don't forget to join my Discord server, link in the description.